What did it really mean to live as a Jew in the time of Jesus? Not theology, but lived reality. The rhythms of daily life shaped by the Torah, the laws people struggled to follow, the debates that divided communities. My name is Yonatan Adler, and I'm a professor of archaeology specializing in ancient Judaism. In this 4-part course, Judaism in the Time of Jesus, I invite you to step into the 1st century and encounter the Jewish world into which Jesus was born and raised. Across 4 lectures, we'll explore how Jewish life was shaped by the Torah, through synagogue study, ritual purity, Sabbath observance, pilgrimage festivals, and the diverse sectarian groups of the period, the Pharisees, Sadducees, Essenes, John the Baptist, and the early Jesus movement. You'll discover what united Jews of this era, and what they fiercely debated. What makes this course unique is that it combines classroom learning with guided archaeological visits on location. After each lecture, we'll travel beyond the classroom, virtually, visiting key sites throughout Israel. From Jerusalem and the Judean desert to the Galilee, we'll stand in ancient synagogues, descend into ritual immersion pools, and explore the landscapes where some of history's most influential ideas took shape. If you're curious about the roots of Western religion, fascinated by archaeology, or eager to see familiar stories with fresh eyes, this course is for you. I hope you'll join me as we journey back in time to the world of Judaism in the time of Jesus.